Welcome dear friends to another tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. Today, we'll be addressing one of the most common questions, how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. If you want your followers or viewers to reach your Instagram page with just one click, this is the right video for you. Keep watching to learn how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open your TikTok application. Now, in the lower right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. Now that you're on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile option. This is where most people make a mistake. They usually copy the link and then add it to their TikTok bio. TikTok will display the link on your profile, but it won't be clickable, and we don't want that. Let's continue with the process. So, in the Social section, tap on the Instagram option. In this part, enter your username and password. When you're done, tap on Login and then tap on Allow, and the clickable link will be added to your TikTok profile. When you go to your profile, you'll see a small Instagram icon. When you tap on it, you'll be redirected to your Instagram profile. And that would be all for this video. I hope you successfully followed the steps. Adding a clickable link to your TikTok bio can be useful for increasing your online presence and engagement with your followers. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.